Let's discuss multiple choice number 21. So, ang tinatanong dito ay, how much is the allowable deduction nung business na nagbigay daw ng fringe benefit na 97,500. So, yung fringe benefits paid na 97,500, yun yung na-enjoy ng mga officer mo. So, again, we assume that's net of tax. So, i-gross up mo siya. So, divide that by 65%. So, ang grossed up monetary value is 150,000. At yan po yung deductible expense for tax purposes nung employer. So, meron ako ditong extrang ginawa. Hindi naman siya tinatanong ng problem. Pero, I decided na maglagay ng journal entry para makita nyo paano siya mag-a-appear as deduction sa income tax return. So, you will debit fringe benefit tax expense na 52,500. That's 35% ng 150,000. You debit fringe benefit expense na 97,500 and credit cash na 150,000. So, yung dalawang expense na yan, yung fringe benefit tax expense tsaka fringe benefit expense, they are both deductible for income tax purposes. Kaya pag pinagsama mo yan, that's the grossed up monetary value 150. Kaya ang sagot natin sa number 21 ay letter A.